With Android Auto, you can access some of the features of your Android device through your vehicle. Visit www.android.com/auto for a list of available functions and compatibility. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. If your device is not equipped with the appropriate software version, you may need to download the Android Auto app to your Android mobile device to use this feature in your vehicle. First, visit the Google Play Store on your phone to download the Android Auto app to your device. Then launch the app on your Android phone and follow the prompted directions to set up the application. Connect your phone using the cable that came with your device to a USB port. Once connected, the Startup information screen will appear on the display. Touch Yes to start Android Auto. Touch this icon to display a list of available apps and touch to select. Touch this icon to return to normal vehicle functions. To return to the Android Auto screen, touch the Android Auto icon on the launch bar. You may change the settings so that Android Auto will not automatically connect every time your phone is plugged into your vehicle. To adjust these settings, press the Menu button, touch Connections, Devices, this information icon, Smartphone projection, then Startup options to adjust the settings. From this menu, you can also touch Vehicles Help for Android Auto to view helpful tips on using the app. From the Devices menu, you can touch to switch to a different device. You will not be able to use the phone handset while Android Auto is running. To access Google Assistant while connected to Android Auto, touch this icon on your screen. For best results when using Android Auto, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows and moonroof, if so equipped. Also, direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.